guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool horn to look at. So this is a Ex Norfolk Southern P5A. So P5A, not a normal P5. It's got a 1, which is right here. It's got a number 2. It's got its number 3. It has a 4A and a 5. Usually it's got a number 4, regular number 4. This is a 4A. So it is a little higher pitched than a normal 4. Really gives the horn a good sound. This is how the horn was ran on the locomotive in this bell configuration with the 4A and the number 2 pointing to the rear. You've got the 1, the 3, and the 5 pointing forward. Of course, we still got the bonnets on it. Of course, they were in pretty good shape, so I left them on. And it sounds great. I did take it apart just to clean it out. I think the number 1 was having a little trouble sounding, and it just had some sand that had gotten in it. So that was easy to fix. But anyway, other than that, just a pretty normal P5, really good sounding. You don't find the P5As too often. They're not as common as just a regular P5. And of course, this is on a low profile 5-chime manifold. You also have your common gull wing manifold. But anyway, y'all enjoy this. This is the Ex Norfolk Southern P5A.